By using the substitution u is equal to 1 minus the square root of x, find the integral of x over 1 minus the square root of x dx. This is not the most simplest substitution to use for this particular function, but in an exam, if you're asked to use it, you must. So, let u be equal to 1 minus root x. Just rearrange that, so we're going to get root x is 1 minus u, and x is going to be equal to 1 minus u squared, which is 1 minus 2u plus u squared. We're going to need that to substitute for that x there. Normally then we differentiate this, so u will be 1 minus x to the half. The u by dx will be equal to minus a half of x to the minus a half, which we could write as minus 1 over 2 root x, which means that dx will be 2 minus 2 root x du, but root x is 1 minus u, so we're going to have minus 2, 1 minus u du. Take the minus sign in, we're going to have 2u minus 1 du. So we're going to have 2 times 1 minus 2u plus u squared over 1 minus root x, which is u, times dx, which is u minus 1 du, and the 2 here has been put in the front at the beginning. A constant you can take out of the integral sign. So the next step, we have to expand. So 1 times u will give me u, and 1 times minus 1 will give me minus 1. Minus 2u times u will give me minus 2u squared. Minus 2u times minus 1 will give me plus 2u. U squared times u will give me u cubed, and u squared times minus 1 will give me u minus u squared. Still all over u du. Collected together terms, we're going to have u plus 2u, still got that 2 out in front, 3u, and then we're going to have minus 1, and then minus 2u minus u, minus 2u squared minus u squared would give me minus 3u squared, plus the u cube, over u, which is du. I don't know what that extra u was doing. Okay, right, so writing that out, what you need to do now, because we've got a common denominator, we're going to do 3u divided by u, which gives me 3, 1 over u, 3u squared divided by u, which gives me 3u, and u cubed divided by u, which gives me u squared du. We're now ready to integrate. So we've got the 2 in the front, we've got 3u minus ln of the absolute value of u, minus 3u squared over 2, plus u cubed over 3, plus c. U is equal to 1 minus root x, so we're going to have 2 times 3 times 1 minus root x, minus ln of the absolute value of 1 minus root x, minus 3 times 1 times root x squared over 2, plus 1/3 of 1 minus root x cubed, close bracket, plus c, because we've got 2 outside. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to do a more difficult integration by substitution. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.